Ever looked at your YouTrip card, admired its sleek design, and thought, can I actually send money with this thing? I mean, it's perfect for those overseas shopping sprees and dining adventures, but can it handle good old-fashioned money transfers? That's the burning question, isn't it? Let's dive in. YouTrip is undeniably a fantastic tool for spending abroad. The multi-currency wallet, the competitive exchange rates, the cashback rewards, it's all there to make your international adventures smoother and cheaper. But sending money? That's a different ballgame. Think of YouTrip as your stylish, jet-setting companion. It's great at parties, shopping, and exploring new cities. But asking it to handle serious financial transactions like sending money back home or transferring funds to a friend is like asking a party animal to balance your budget. It's just not its forte. While YouTrip excels at spending, it's primarily designed for point-of-sale transactions. It's optimized for tapping, swiping, and dipping, not for pushing money from one account to another. Sure, you can technically load money onto your YouTrip card, but that's more about topping up your balance for spending, not transferring funds. Now, you might be thinking, but I've heard rumors. Let's clear the air. Some fintech apps offer a mix of spending and money transfer services. But YouTrip isn't one of them. It's focused on providing a seamless spending experience, and it does that exceptionally well. So, if you're planning a trip and need to manage your spending wisely, YouTrip is your go-to. But when it comes to sending money, you'll need to look elsewhere. There are plenty of dedicated money transfer services out there that specialize in getting your funds where they need to go, safely and efficiently. Remember, using the right tool for the job is key. You wouldn't use a screwdriver to hammer a nail, would you? So, keep YouTrip for your travel adventures and explore other options for your money transfer needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.